Ever notice the more kids get, the less satisfied they are? The toy, the snack, the screen time, it's never quite enough. Like somehow you're still in a 20-minute standoff over a second popsicle. The antidote to entitlement isn't more stuff. It's less with meeting. Today we'll meet Jake, a 12-year-old who makes a wish for nonstop fun, zero chores, and endless rewards. It all seems perfect until it isn't. Grab your little co-pilot, because when you watch together, the message sneaks in a little deeper. This is infinite awesome, and it might just help your kiddo rediscover what makes life actually awesome. Let's go.
When everything is special, nothing is. Joy fades when we get what we want all the time. Keep treats special so they stay special.
I swear this is the same dinner from last night. They're just rotating the peas. I'm stuck in an infinite loop of boring.
Tired of boring?
That's
Unlock
weird.
Infinite Awesome, a world of non-stop fun.
Non-stop
Zero
fun.
chores and endless
Yeah, right.
rewards.
I wish everything was awesome. Forever.
Good morning, young legend. Donut?
So yeah, I made a wish. Boom. Welcome to Infinite Awesome. Donuts on command. All-time sunset. Hilarious statues that toot glitter. This is better than snow days and birthday mornings combined. This is everything I've ever wanted. All my favourite things. All the time. I bet tomorrow will be even better than today. Everything is still awesome. All the time. And by awesome, I mean weirdly exhausting. It's like eating cake or donuts for every meal. I wouldn't say I'm getting tired of it, but I'm getting kind of tired of it.
Is it still Tuesday? I miss oatmeal.
Another Captain Awesome! Hooray!
Peaked in week 1.
Now he's just crop dusting his legacy.
Turns out, if everything's awesome all the time, nothing really is. But when it's special, or when you make your own fun, that makes all the difference.
Are we flying into a volcano? No, it's a moon base with lava sharks.
All right, welcome back. So what did we just learn? When Jake got everything he wanted all the time, it stopped feeling special. That's not just make-believe. Psychologists call it the hedonic treadmill, where our brains adjust to new pleasures so quickly the joy wears off like glitter in a kiddie pool. In the book Happy Money, Dr. Elizabeth Dunn and Michael Norton found that treats only feel like treats when they're rare, meaningful, and earned. Meanwhile, in the book The Me Epidemic, Amy McCready shows that overindulged kids aren't happier. They're often more anxious, less grateful, and more entitled. So how do we break that cycle? You can try this 3-part awesome reset with your kids this week. Number 1, the 2-treat rule. Let your kids choose just 2 extra fun treats this week. That could be a dessert, a screen privilege, or a toy. Make it a moment, mark it on the calendar, let them savor the countdown. Then from the book Good Inside by Dr. Becky, you can have a conversation about the special event or gift and guide them with questions that foster reflection, such as, wasn't that so special when Grandma brought you that gift? This reflection helps your kiddo connect the gift or event to the feeling of being cared for and laying the groundwork for genuine gratitude. Number 2, the anticipation jar. When your child wants something new, write it on a slip and drop it in the jar. Choose one to revisit next week. So you're not saying no, you're saying not yet, which builds their patience muscles. Number 3, you lead time. 10 minutes a day, no phones, no lectures, just them. You say, you lead, I'm all in. That connection fills their emotional tank that constant rewards can't touch. For parents, you're not being the bad guy when you delay gratification. You're being the architect of your child's future self-control, resilience, and joy. For kids, you're already awesome. The best moments, you don't get them from a store. You make them together with the people who love you the most. Drop a comment below. What's one homemade or no-cost moment that felt more awesome than any gadget? Bonus points if it involved pizza or cardboard box spaceship. In the next episode, you'll meet a nuffy. If too much stuff makes us numb, what makes us feel worthy in the first place? Meet a talking doll who finally says the thing every kid needs to hear, and every parent secretly wishes they'd believe. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.